What is unique about surfing in Fiji? First and foremost, it's people. It's people and the places. Our environment is such a unique place to begin with. Just know that as a Pacific Islander, you have within you the mana and the power of generations of ocean people. Being out in the ocean is second nature. Whether you know how to surf or not, that is who you are. That's who we are. And surfing is just a way of expressing that. I feel the same way about, Pacific Islanders and everyone in Oceania. It's like we're not just learning how to fish or we're not learning how to sail. We're reconnecting to something that's inherent to us. Surfing gives me a sense of purpose. Surfing gives me a sense of empowerment, and what I love the most about surfing is it has the ability to connect me not only to my surroundings and to nature and the ocean, but I feel like it truly connects me to my ancestors. As we know, wave riding has been happening for generations, and as Polynesians, as Melanesians, as Pacific Islanders, our ancestors have been riding the swells in the open ocean and sailing and circumnavigating, and so I feel like as I've gotten older, I've really appreciated that part of what surfing means to me. Some of my biggest surf heroes are all a decade younger than me. Forever, my biggest surf heroes will be my sisters, but it's so cool that I'm living in an era where the new generation of young surfer girls are who I look up to. My advice would be to just be bold, be brave and unapologetic about how fierce you want to hold yourself or what you want. Just go after it. How stoked am I about the WSL coming back? Absolutely stoked, 100%. I think it's fair to say I'm more stoked than a lot of people. The Fiji Pro, we all grew up watching it. It's not just a favorite event for us, but for the global surfing community. It's such an iconic event, and it's something that makes me proud as a Fijian surfer. I've seen the power that a single event can have in a community, on a culture, and I'm really excited for WSL to come back and spread that again.